Welcome to week 10 of me showing off old builds. This week I have this ALU computer, whatever you want to call it. I originally made it as just an ALU, but I also added some storage over here to make it into a computer. And an ALU is just an arithmetic and logic unit, and it has a bunch of these different levers. You can nullify the X, nullify the Y, invert the Y, invert the X, do an AND operation, null the output, and then over here you choose which memory you want to read from and which one you want to store to. That last one is the lever I made. But there's these table of values, which levers lead to which functions, and I actually got this list from a YouTube video I watched. So these are all the different functions it can do. It's quite a lot. I watched a playlist of NAND to Tetris, and it was really, really helpful in learning about binary and logic and stuff. So that is something I do recommend if you're interested. I did not watch the entire thing because it's like 50 videos, and holy. This is the storage I made. It has 4 different memory cells, each one having 4 bits of data. Only the first one works, but that's because I had a glitch. But I made a counting program for it, so it'll increment by 1 every time. I mean, in theory, I could get this to do division, but I couldn't get the rest of the memory cells working. My timing was off, so yeah. Only the first memory cell works, but I could write a division program if I wanted to, if I made the rest of the memory cells working. But it's an old build, that's why I'm showing it off now instead of when I made it, because this is pretty not good. So this is an AND gate for the nullifier, this is an XOR gate for the inversion, this is the adder/ander that I have, and it's for the largest part of it, and then another inverter at the end, and then I have this where it chooses, no, this is the inverter at the end, and then I also have it choose between the AND or the adding function in this area. Then over here I added this thing that turns one line into all the lines being on, and that's for like if you wanted to do true or false statements. It's probably not the best way to go about doing it, but it works. Then yeah, that's basically it. This is the coolest thing I've seen, because, you know, it has a lot of potential in its design. And I don't plan on rebuilding it, but if you want to see anything, just let me know.